एक्चुअली इश्किया वाज इन एमपी, मध्य प्रदेश का था। हाँ अभिषेक, देन स्टोरी गोज टू, ये पूरी फिल्म यूपी में लखनऊ के पास महमूदाबाद करके जो जगह है। तो इसमें एक जो हम लोगों का मेन अभिषेक का जो टेक था वो ये था कि हम लोग एक शायरी के माहौल में, मुशायरे के माहौल में एक थ्रिलर करें। तो वो एक और मेन आई थिंक अभिषेक इसके ऊपर लाइट डाले तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है।
No, this film is imagined between the two of us, so it's as much his film as it is mine. But हाँ, ये माहौल बड़ा ही interesting माहौल है. We've seen it in our films, but haven't seen it in a while. So to go back to that era and create that alternative world sort of, and make an exciting film with very modern sensibilities was something that was very interesting for us, and that's why we did it.
Fantastic. I mean, our reference was Umrao Jan meets Quentin Tarantino.
Not really, because I have done a little bit of that in Devdas, जहाँ उर्दू में मैंने बात की है, लेकिन इसमें ऑफ कोर्स बहुत पर्टिकुलर रहना पड़ता था कि नुक्ता कहाँ है और नहीं, तो ज़ेर ज़बर नुक्ता ये सब संभालने पड़ते थे। बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई थिंक इट वाज वंडरफुल, आई लर्नड अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स। जैसे मुझे इस फिल्म के दौरान पता चला कि एक तारा होता है, तारा मीन्स अ स्टार इन द स्काई, जिसे याद अल जोज़ा कहते हैं। मुझे लगा बहुत ही रोमांटिक सा नाम है, और दैट्स समथिंग आई लर्नड। लेकिन इट वाज फन डूइंग दिस मूवी, रियली वी रियली हैड अ blast with everyone.
We'd also read that back in 2010 when Ishqiya released, you said you loved Ishqiya. So do you see any similarities between Ishqiya and Date Ishqiya now?
मुझे लगता है similarities end with Khalu ji and Babban being there and their characters, but everything else is very different.
Thank you. Huma, we all know that you're from Delhi and you've been a theatre artist before. So was it difficult, Urdu as a language?
No. I mean, in the sense, of course, I've grown up in Delhi and coming from a Muslim family, Urdu's all around, and my parents speak and write Urdu really well. So मुझ पे extra pressure था, क्योंकि I was like one of the spoiled kids who thought learning Urdu was not very cool, and then I had to do this movie and be very careful of my zeer, zabar and nuqtas. तो मैं हर चीज़ में नुक्ता लगा देती थी। तो अभिषेक had to tell me, अरे यहाँ नहीं लगता है, यहाँ मत लगाओ, यहाँ बचा के रखो, next line में लगाना. But it was great fun, and I think this film shows that old world Muslim culture really beautifully, and and it sort of has all these urban elements and how it becomes, I think a lot of people will identify with it, because when you go and you travel to the smaller cities, you really see that India, which is urban, yet at the same time it holds on to those small town values.
Any favorite songs in the movie you've?
सभी गाने बहुत अच्छे हैं। दिल का मिजाज भी बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाना है, जो अटरिया, हमरी अटरिया पे, और जगावे सारी रहना, जिस पे दोनों पे मैंने डांस किया है। उसके अलावा एक बहुत स्वीट सा सॉन्ग है जो बाद में बताएंगे आपको, लेकिन वो भी आने वाला है। और सभी सॉन्ग्स, क्योंकि जैसे विशाल जी ने कहा कि वो वर्ल्ड हमने वहाँ पे क्रिएट किया है, जहाँ कव्वाली है, जहाँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत गाने लिखे गए हैं, वर्ड्स बहुत खूबसूरत है, पोएटिक अंदाज है, तो उसकी वजह से सभी गाने ऐसे बगीचे जैसे हैं, देयर फ्लावर्स एवरीवेयर, इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल।
Huma, what about
Dil Ka Mizaj? I love that song. I think it's so beautiful and romantic and soft and all of that. And Hamri Ataria, because of Rekha ji. I think she's just fabulous. Her voice has this beautiful texture to it. I think she makes that song so beautiful.
In the 90s, it's famously a lot of parallel heroines used to walk out films if Madhuri Dixit was the lead actress. So weren't you nervous or apprehensive?
You've answered your question yourself. A, this is not the 90s, and B, none of us look like parallel heroines.
What would you like to say to that, Madhuri? She's not nervous facing the camera with you. I think would you do you appreciate that quality in the younger
I love
cast
that
today?
quality in the youngsters. They're so confident and they're so just there, and they are doing such a good job, and it's wonderful to see.
Uma, hi. My question is for you. How was your experience working with Madhuri Dixit? She's being such a renowned actor.
Well, it was wonderful, and she is wonderful, and she made it very easy to act with her. I know you people think that big actresses are difficult people, but that's actually not true. She was very warm, and I think she just made every scene very easy to do. Yeah, so we were just honestly just playing off each other.
Question for Huma. What's that quality in Arshad which made you attracted towards him?
In the movie,
In the movie, yeah.
Munia likes the fact that he's uncouth. So I think, that's what set off, the romance between Munia and Babban in the film. They both are Battamiz lovers.
Huma, we have talked about you acting with Madhuri, but dancing with Madhuri is something people have to think twice while dancing with her.
I'm still thinking about it.
So how was it? How was it to dance with her?
Well, I danced very little, but it was great fun because, like I said, she made it very easy, and everybody else, Abhishek, made it very easy. The only thing I remember very vaguely from that day shoot was Abhishek looked at me and smiled and said, "Not bad," and she hugged me and said, "I don't bite." So the rest of it is just a blur.
Question to Madhuri. You've spoken about the 7 stages of love in De Ishq Kiya. So do you think that moth is necessary?
Moth is a reality, not a necessity. It is a reality of life. And, different people have different loves. There are people who die for the country because they love the country so much. There are people who die for others. There are people who protect others. So there are different kinds of love everywhere in the world. And like I said, death is a reality. So
Some kind of lovers should just die anyway.